Hi everyone, just a quick little video. I'm in Portsmouth and this is like the gardens. Yeah, he walked off, that's right. So yeah, it's a little waterfall. It's like a little park. I'm not going to go around the whole park, it's not very big. So yeah, it's not very big guys, but I've got the gist. And we're right by the pyramids as well. So there's the pyramid, so that's like a swimming pool with wave machine and all that in it. Oh, there's a little waterfall over there. Oh, so there's another bigger pond. David, there's another bigger pond. It's a waterfall going down. Yeah, and just over that way is the bigger pond. Didn't know that. So yeah, the more you know. The more you know. Like I said, guys, just a short little video. And there's the pyramids. It's been years since I last been there, but well, apart from you, it's a long time out since I last. Well, no, swimming, you numpty. I'm talking about swimming. I know you didn't go swimming. So I'm just going to sit over there. So I'm just testing out my mic, guys. So I'm with him in Portsmouth. Thanks all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.